Yeah, get on your hands and knees. Get on your knees. Get on your knees? Go ahead and get on your knees with your feet back. Okay, get on your knees. Okay, now lean up and put your hands down. Okay, right there. Now with Daddy, you go like this.
Tell her to blow out her nose.
Got your mouth in, that was good. Okay, now when you hold your breath, blow out your nose, like this. No, not in, okay, out, yeah. Now when you go underwater, be breathing out your nose, ready? Like this.
Blow bubbles out your nose in the water.
Okay.
You try. Go.
Now go underwater and breathe out your nose.
Blow bubbles out your nose.
Take a deep breath, and then as you're ready to go under, you hold your breath and you breathe out your nose. Watch Daddy. In. Okay, now go underwater and breathe out your nose.
Aww.
Oops, you breathed in the wrong way, I think. Oh, you okay? Are you okay?
I can't do it now.
Okay, well it takes practice.